Hey folks, welcome to Unit 6 of Typography and Layout. This week we're going to be focused on a few different things. In your text, we're going to continue on with the text chapter within your textbook link and in your textbook. So some of the focus of this unit is space and meaning, line spacing, alignment. We're going to continue on with some of that. Captions and hierarchy continued. So some of the examples you see right here in your unit are exactly the exercise we're going to be doing for this week. This shows a real literal meaning to the word and its character, and we are illustrating the word's meaning through the positioning of the R kind of jumping out in the middle of the word as if it's disrupting the actual word. Same with compression. Compression shows like a compressed nature of that word right here, again illustrating its own meaning within the word. And so I challenge you to come up with the same thing. There are several examples in the textbook link, the digital textbook resource here, and so make sure you give that a look. For the instructions for this unit, you want to read pages 104 to 150. Just skim over some of them. We've been doing a lot of them, but I believe a lot of the bulk of what we're focused on is right within that page range. And then you want to read the links that I provided under the resources, A to Z of typography, and then typographic wordplay. And these are some great examples for exercise 6, just to give you some inspiration. Please do not copy any of these. These are meant to inspire you and to give you examples of what I'm looking for this assignment. Some very interesting examples. I think you'll find them to be fun, and I hope that you're able to come up with one that sort of gives you that excitement about typography that it does when I did this project for the first time. Another thing is, so you will create that in any software of your choice, and you will do the submission, submit your final word to this link, and then your word design, I guess I should say, rather. And then the forum, you want to continue on with your book sleeve draft. So many of you started out with choosing your original book draft for the sleeve design that we've decided to redesign. And you did your initial chosen book and you posted it to the forum last week and to the submission link. This week you don't have to post anything to any submission links, but you do have to post it to the forum. So be sure you're posting your actual draft, so you're hopefully giving some better ideas and clues as to how you're going to revise the original to make it look better, and some of the concepts that you've used that we've learned thus far to integrate into your new redesign for that book sleeve. Okay, I had a student ask if it's the entire book jacket that I want designed, and yes, the answer is I'd like a front cover, a spine, and a back cover. The inside sleeves are up to you. You know how they kind of fold around the book. I don't require that, but I do require the front cover, spine, and back cover design for this particular project. It'll be a great portfolio piece, and I look forward to seeing what you guys have. If you have questions or concerns, please let me know. I'm always happy to help. Have a very productive week, and I'll see you in next week's virtual video.